Okay, this is it. The lechon is almost done. This is how we do it in my place in Cebu. Here's Manong, the lechon driver. This is in preparation for birthday party. Ibyong's first birthday celebration. We have lechon. Okay. And the place to hang around. Crispy lechon. Hey, Mom. Here's Mom. Mom, here's Mom right there. And again, the lechon is almost done. Okay, here's Marlo, our caretaker. And